Alright, so I just received my SPASENS diffuser. I already put water in because I'm filming with one hand, but this is the top part, and you just actually unscrew that, put water in it, put the oils in there. I put about 3 drops of orange, that way I can smell it, and then that's it. So then you just flip this over like this, put the top up there. There's a power button back here. That's what it looks like. It's very beautiful. That's just the light, so you can just have that as a night light. And this right here adjusts the mist, so you can have little mist. You can get more. And this is cool too. You can adjust if you want this to, you know, it's like a double mister. So it actually produces a lot of mist. That's the highest. Pretty cool. That's really beautiful. I like it. It smells good, and I like that you can adjust that. And the design's really pretty. It's like a butterfly. Very relaxing. And it's pretty quiet. You can hear a little bit of water, but it almost reminds me of like a little water fountain or something. And I'm actually going to get one of these for myself because this is for my mom, and I like it a lot. And that's it. Thanks.